Welcome to Race Crash Course Series number 15, topic solid state, most expected questions. An ionic compound has a unit cell consisting of A ions at the corners of a cube and B ions on the centers of the faces of the cube. The empirical formula of this compound would be C. Each corner is shared by 8 cubes and each face is shared by 2 faces. So number of A ions in the unit cell is equals to 1 by 8 into 8, 1. That is. Number of B ions in the unit cell is 1 by 2 into 6 is 3. So A is 1, B is 3. So A, B, 3. So option B is the right option. Next question. The packing efficiency of two-dimensional square unit is cell shown below. Here, this is. We have to find the packing efficiency of it. But here, packing efficiency formula, area occupied by circles within the square and by area of the square. So area occupied by circles is 2 pi r square. By area of square is L square into 100. 2 pi r square by 2 into root 2 r whole square, because this area of this square is root 2 r. That is equals to pi by 4 into 100 is 78.54. So option D is the right option for this. Next question. A compound MPXQ has cubic closed packing CCP arrangement of X. Its unit cell structure is shown below. This is the structure. The empirical formula of the compound is, see, in this we have number of M atoms. M is this is the M, that is edge centered. Contribution for edge center is 1 by 4. So 4 are there, and the middle 1 is there. So total is 1 plus 1 is 2. So M is 2. And another one, number of X atoms. X is dark dot. So they are present at the corners, 8 are there, at the face center 6 are there. So contribution 1 by 2 into 6 plus 1 by 8 into 8. 1 by 8 is for corners, 1 by 2 is for face centers. The total we got is 4. So the formula of the compound is M2X4. We don't have any M2X4 in the options, and its empirical formula they are asking means we have to take simplest form of it, MX2. So B is the right option for it. Next question. The edge length of a face centered cubic cell of an ionic substance is 508 picometers. If the radius of the cation is 110 picometers, then the radius of anion is, see here, we have face center crystal is there, radius of cation is equal to radius of anion. That is equal to edge length by 2. So radius of cation given is 110 in the problem, radius of anion we don't know. So that is radius of anion equals to edge length 508 by 2. After simplification, radius of anion we got 144 picometers. So D is the right option for it. Next question. The arrangement of X minus ions around A plus ion in solid AX is given in the figure, not drawn on scale. If the radius of X minus is 250 picometers, the radius of A plus is how much? See, we have an arrangement given shows that octahedral void is there. This is arrangement is limiting radius of the octahedral void is value R cation by R anion 0.414. In this, if you substitute the radius of this anion X minus multiplied by 0.414, we got 104. Approximately 104 means exactly is 103.5. Very close to our option A. So A option is the right option. Next question. How many unit cells are present in a cube-shaped ideal crystal of NaCl of mass 1 gram? Atomic mass of Na is 23, chlorine is 35.5. See, here in this number of formula in cube shaped crystal, we can calculate by the number of moles of this sodium chloride. Sodium chloride now total mass is molecular mass is 58.5. Mass already given is 1 gram. So 1 by 58.5 is moles. And Avogadro number, that is number of formulas in cube. Since NaCl is a type of structure, 4 formula units of units form A cell. So this is the number of formulae, and what we will do is unit cells you want to calculate means 4 formula units are there, but here in this formula unit, this many number of formula units, we have how many unit cells are there. Upon cross multiplication, we got this entire number of formula divided by 4 is equals to 2.57 10 to the power 21 units. So that is matches with our D option. So D option is the right option for it. Next question. If A stands for edge length of cube systems, simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic, then the ratio of radii of spheres in these systems will be respectively. Means A they are given edge length, simple cubic, body center cubic and face center cubic, the ratio of the radius they are asking. Okay. So here simple cubic we have A by 2 is the radius. Body center cubic we have radius is root 3 by 4A, and face center cubic we have A by 2 root 2. So their ratio, if you check it, their ratio 1 by 2A, root 3A by 4, 1 by 2 root 2A. So matches with A option, that is the correct one. Next question. Argon crystallizes in structure in which the atoms are located at the positions. These are the positions. 0, 1 by 2, Miller indices values given. 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. The unit cell is a conceptual one. The planes indicates that unit cell is FCC. So option C is the right option for this. Next question. Tetragonal system has the following unit cell dimensions. It is also one important table column given in our textbook about the Bravais lattices. In this tetragonal we have A is equals to B, not equals to C. Alpha, beta, gamma is 90. So here in this we have B option is correct one as per that information. So this is the right option B. Next question. Consider the following FCC unit cells. Choose the correct option. Here in these options, here we have one circle is there, around that dots are there. So if we consider the neighboring, nearest neighborings here, in first case we have 6 are there, in the second case also is as 6 are there. So 6 means octahedral. So our right option is option C. Next question. The non-stoichiometric compound Fe0.94 oxygen is found when X% of Fe2 plus ions are replaced by as many 2 by 3 Fe2 3 plus ions. So what is X? So here the number of Fe3 plus ions replacing giving 2x by 3. So vacancies of cations will be total is x minus 2x by 3. That will be x by 3. We are very clear that x percentage is minus 2x minus 3. Then x by 3 will be the vacancy of the cations. So but x by 3 is there, that is equals to, they have already given, we have 0.94 is there. So 100% minus 94%, 6%. 6% means 0.06. Then x by 3 is 0.06. X is equals to 0.18 means 18%. So option A is the right option for it. Next question. Which of the following statements is correct? Is wrong. The The coordination number of each type of ion in CSCl is 8. The metal that crystallizes in BCC structure has coordination number 12. So it looks little doubt. A unit cell of ionic crystal shares some of its ions with the other unit cells. Yes, correct. The length of unit cell of NaCl is 552 picometers. So what is the information here is the crystals of CSCl as body center, cubic ends. Each ion in the structure has coordination number of 8. That is correct. And in case of crystals of NaCl, two interpenetrating face center cubic lattices are present out of this one composed entirely of Na plus ions and the other Cl minus ions. So each Na plus ion is located halfway between the two Cl minus ions, vice versa. So an unit cell of NaCl has Cl minus ions at the corners as well as the face centers, and Na plus ions are located in the octahedral voids. So if you see this on the edge of the cubic unit cell, there are two Cl minus ions and one Na plus ion is there. So hence the edge length A is equals to 2 into R Na plus plus R Cl minus. Substituting this radius given in the problem for the fourth statement is 95 picometers per Na plus and 181 picometers per Cl minus. You got that edge length is 552 picometers. That is also correct. So it indicates that a metal that crystallizes in BCC structure has coordination number 12 is the wrong statement. NaCl is doped with 2 × 10 to the power of -3 moles percentage of strontium chloride. The concentration of cation vacancies is, so here this percentage is nothing but cation vacancy only. That should be multiplied with Avogadro number to get the answer. That is 12.04 × 10 to the power of 18 we got. So that is option D. Next question, the ratio of inner planar distances of three types of planes D110, D110, 100, 110, 111, 111 for simple cubic lattices. Here you have to use the Miller indices formula. A by square root of h square plus k square plus l square. In this, if you use D110, then here h is 1 square, k is 0 square, l is 0 square. So a by 1 square root 1 square is 1. So a. The next one is D110. In this, if you substitute the value here for 1 for h square and 1 for k square, then it will become root 2. So it is the first one. Assuming all cancelling a here a in the ratio case. So then the third one D111 is nothing but a by root 3. So the ratio a will get cancelled. It is 1:1 1 by root 2:1 1 by root 3. So option A is the right option for this one. Next question. For a cubic crystal, the lattice parameter is 300 picometers and a spacing D for 111 Miller indices plane will be how much? See, in this we have again the same formula to use, that is a by square root of h square plus k square plus l square. In this formula, if you substitute this expression, you will get a by root 3. So that can also be written as a into root 3 by 3. Here a value given in the problem is 300. After substituting that one, we got 173.2 picometers. So C option is the right option for it. Next question. A metal has an FCC lattice. The edge length of unit cell is 404. So we have a value given. Density of the metal is given 2.72. Molar mass of the metal is how much? That is the question. So density formula related with molar mass, if you use then density is equals to Zm by n into a cube. In this we have to find m value. So substituting the density value 2.72, Avogadro number 6.02, 10 to the power 23, and edge length 272.404 is there. 404 picometers is converted into centimeters. Then we got 404 into 10 power of minus 10 whole cube. So upon simplification, the mass, molar mass 26.99 exactly we got approximately. You can write 27, close to our option B. So option B is the right option. Next question. An element atomic mass 100 grams per mole having BC structure has unit edge length 400 picometers. What is the density of this element? Like the previous problem, we have density formula D is equals to Zm by N into A cube or rho. If you write this Z value 2 according to BCC values, Z value is 2. So 2 into molar mass is 100 by Avogadro number into 400 edge length 400 into 10 power minus 10 centimeters converted. So upon simplification you got 5.188, means option B is the right option for it. Next question. Iron crystallizes in several modifications. At about 911 degrees Celsius, the BCC alpha form of iron undergoes a transition to FCC gamma form. So if the distance between the two nearest neighbors is same in the two forms at the transition state, the ratio of the density of iron in FCC form, that is rho 2, to the iron of BCC form rho 1 at the transition state. We have to find the ratio between these densities. So for this, we have the alpha form is there for iron. The distance is given as root 3 by 2a. So alpha form, this is the distance, and gamma form, what is the distance is a by root 2. Why? Because this is FCC. In alpha form we have BCC, that is the distance between the nearest neighbors, and if it is taken equally according to the problem, they are telling the nearest neighbors is same in the two forms. Then after equating these two, this A1 A2 ratio, we got root 3 by 2, and now the density ratio rho 1 by rho 2 can be written as Z1 by Z2 into A2 by A1 whole cube. As what is rho 1 is nothing but the BCC form. Okay, so in a BCC form we have Z value is Z1 value is 2, and FCC form we have Z1 value is 4. So 2 by 4 is 1 by 2 into this A2 by A1 we got is root 3 by 2 whole cube. Upon simplification 0.918 we got. That means option A is the right option for it. Next question. In a cubic closed packed structure of mixed oxides, the lattice is made up of oxide ion. 20% of tetrahedral voids are occupied bivalent X2 plus ions, and 50% of the octahedral voids are occupied by trivalent Y3 plus ions. So the formula of the oxide is what? Let us see, in this we have spheres are there. Oxide is O2 minus, tetrahedral void is occupied by X2 plus, and octahedral void is occupied by Y3 plus. Observe here, how many spheres are there? One sphere is tetrahedral void is 2 spheres, octahedral void is 1 sphere, because twice that of octahedral void is tetrahedral void. Now if the sphere is 1, you take 1 sphere, tetrahedral void number is this one. Percentage means 2 into 20%, given the question is 20% means 20 by 100, and octahedral void percentage given is 50%, so 1 into 50% is 1 into 50 by 100. Now the spheres we have 1.4.5 km. So what is 1.4.5 means? If you multiply this 1.4.5 with 10, we'll get X is 4, Y is 5, and oxygen is 10. So that O is oxygen. So X4, Y5, O10. X4, Y5, O10. B option is the right option for it. The next question. The first order reflection of a beam of X-rays of wavelength 1.54 angstrom units from 100 plane of a crystal, if the simple cubic type occurs at an angle of 11.29 degrees, calculate the length of unit cell. They have given sin 11.2 degrees is 0.1991 also. So in this, we have to use the Bragg equation, that is n lambda is equals to 2d sin theta. They are telling first order reflection means n value is 1 order of reflection, and theta value, sin theta value directly given, so d value 1.54 into angstrom units is 10 power minus 8 centimeters will be multiplied with sin 11.29, then you'll get the d value as 3.68 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters. Further, we know that from Miller-Indices expression, A by interplanar distances is A by square root of h square plus k square plus l square. And the given plane is 1, 0, 0. So h is 1, remaining k and l are 0. So that is equated, and after that we got a value in the simplification. Again the same, that is 3.68 into the power of minus 8 centimeters. That is the length of the unit cell. Thank you.